Danny Pop told me, don't let your boy beat you, ever. I'm Ted, I'm from Cincinnati. I got this 2011 Factory 5 car. We bought it about 3 weeks ago. We came to Ford Fest last year with my 2019 Mustang, and my son and I were co-driving it. And we decided, well, maybe he could drive that one and I could find something else. And we've been autocrossing for going on 3 years now. My son and I have a great rivalry, and it annoyed me more when he beat me in my own car when we were co-driving it. But I haven't got this one good yet, so we'll see. I was out on a job site, and a guy knew that I like Mustangs, and he said, if you like Mustangs, you'll love what's in my garage. And he had this and told me about his son and them building it, and kind of rung home with me. And after a few weeks of working his house, we come up with a deal to get this car back on the road. This is the second time I've raced it. It's got a 2011 Coyote in it with a 5-speed Tremec. It's on 02 Mustang wheels and brakes, and it's been fun. So working on not wrecking it. Probably could use some new tires. As soon as you hit the gas with the horsepower in this little girl, it just does a spin. So you gotta be real careful. I'm learning. I haven't hit the wall yet, and I hope not to the rest of the weekend. So this winter we're gonna fix the brakes, get the seat right. The guy that built this car is 5'2". So I had to put a new seat in it and arrange stuff just so I could drive it, because I couldn't get my knee between the steering wheel and the shifter when I first got it. Check the tune, because it's been sitting for 7 years. There's no tune left in it. It seems to run pretty good. Needs some suspension work, and then maybe I need to get to be a better driver. But one day I'll beat my son in my other car.